Hey everybody, so we got a quick, just a quick looks video to check out some items I picked up at Harbor Freight. Some of them my wife wanted, some of them I picked up because I actually need them. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. How's it going, everybody? Alright, so we got 3 bags of some items from Harbor Freight. None of these items are light, like extremely light. All of them together are pretty heavy. So get these bags and everything moved out the way. The rep at Harbor Freight tried to put all of these in the same bag, and the bag immediately ripped. So in a previous video, I did do a video previously on chisels and punches, but these are cold chisels and punches, unlike the other set. So these are a small variant of pin punches. Gotta organize all these guys up here. I was looking for another item. I didn't find it at that store. I'll just have to go to a different store. Not a big deal. So these are all the items that were picked up. This right here is a 28-piece transfer punch set. It is item number 3577. It is carbon steel construction. There is a set just like this on Amazon by Nico. Nico wants $21 for it. Exact same 28 piece. The only difference is the base on the Nico is bright orange. This base is black. This 28 piece transfer punch set was only $11. That's why I picked it up. You know, it's $10 more in my pocket than buying it off Amazon. This right here is a 36-piece 3/8 steel stamping set. Includes letters A to Z and the and sign and numbers 0 through 8. Turn number 6 upside down for number 9. That's what it says on the box. This is high carbon steel, and it is item number or part number 63675. This guy was 21 bucks, I believe. I mean, look at the receipt, because all of this was $93. 28-piece transfer punch set was $10.99. This guy right here. 36 3/8 was $23.99. The 1/8 or 1/4 was $14.99, and the 1/8 over here was $9.99. The chisel set was $14.99, and the pin punch 8-piece set right here was $9.99. So these 3, this little box, this one, and this one are the same item. They're just in different gauges. So the first one I showed was the 38 piece, or the 3/8 set. The 1/4 inch set is this smaller one, which is item number 63677. And this is a 36 piece as well. This is just 1/4 inch steel. It's 1/4 inch around, where that one's 3/8 around. 1/4 inch high characters. This one says special high carbon steel stamping will endure 9,000 markings each. Includes letter A through Z, the and symbol, sign, and numbers 0 through 8. Turn 6 upside down for 9. And then the 1/8 set, not the 1/4 set, but the same exact set, 36 piece, but it's in 1/8 size. all of these are high carbon steel. Item number for this one is 63676. This one is 63677. And this one is 63675. This one is exactly the same. Includes letters A through Z and sign, and numbers 0 through 8 turn 6 upside down for number 9. All of these have lifetime warranties. Everything that I picked up has a lifetime warranty. The 12-piece cold chisel and punch set is item 56487. This is made of chrome vanadium construction. It's Pittsburgh Pro. Lifetime warranty. Hex-shaped handles to prevent rolling. Hardened working ends. Enamel finish to resist rust. Includes roll-up storage bag. Includes 6 pin punches, 3 chisels, 2 center punches, and a starter punch. That's what this guy has. And it is, again, 56487 is the part number. And then this one right here is an 8-piece. And I have the larger version of these, which I've never had any issues with, which are these guys right here. There's a little bit of flash rusting on this. I've also gotten paint and grease on these. Never had any issues with them so far, and I use them all the time. As well as I have the shorter style punches. These guys right here. And I also have these as well. Dasco Pro. I think I might have gotten these from Walmart if I remember correctly. But these are just very, very short versions of these guys. And the backs are flat instead of rounded. Basically the same, just shorter, which will come in handy when they're shorter. When you have a tight space that you can't specifically get it into that space and you need something shorter. I will do an unboxing and just open all of these up and show you guys, but it's not going to be on this video because I don't want this video to be 20-30 minutes long. The part number on this little 8-piece pin punch set is item 93424. Curled handles, black oxide finish to prevent corrosion, carbon steel construction. So everything here is made out of carbon steel, except these guys right here. These cold chisel and punch set is chrome vanadium construction. Carbon steel construction are these guys. All of the actual stamping sets are actually high carbon steel. So these 3 guys right here are all high carbon steel. The pin punch set or cold chisel and punch set is chrome vanadium, and the actual transfer punch set is carbon steel. So they're all nice items. I'm sure they'll get a crap ton of use, and I'll do a review on them eventually after I've had enough time to use them and abuse them and see how they hold up. I do appreciate you guys watching. Do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today and checking out the video. I would appreciate if you guys liked, comment, and subscribe to the channel, as well as smoosh the bell notification icon if you guys want future updates on stuff like this and you guys want to see future videos. Would be much appreciated. Also, please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links. And if I do find any of these items on Amazon, I'll be sure to post links to those items. If those items physically are cheaper on Amazon. If they're cheaper at Harbor Freight, I'm just gonna probably not put any affiliate links for them. I'll just tell you guys in an update or in a comment that these items are cheaper at Harbor Freight. There was no point for the affiliate link. But I do appreciate you guys hanging out with me today, And hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!